How's it going, everyone? Welcome. This is React 4 Seasons, and I'm Gigi. Now, today I'm going to be checking out V, aka Taehyung, from BTS, with his track Rainy Days. Now, Love Me Again was such a smooth vibe. It was just really soothing and calm. Just a really nice listen. So I'm really curious to see how this one is going to sound. Alright, this is V with Rainy Days.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like staring at my phone, I gauge, hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe. 이젠 지난 일을 맨날. Time with you was so amazing. Haven't changed, I'm still the same me. 늦었지만 우리 다시. Can we go back to the moment again? Yeah, rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you.
Oh my goodness, this is so smooth. Whoa.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말 할 자격 없어도 Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over, we can start it over. 너는 나의 내 clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch, I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like.
Wow. So something I really appreciated about Love Me Again was its smoothness. It was so smooth, it had such a soothing vibe. This gave me that as well. This song was so just relaxing and calm. But the lyrics, the meaning behind it all was so heavy. Kinda sad. Definitely emotional. V's definitely tapping into this side of himself. And honestly, he's expressing himself in a way I've never seen before from him. It's really nice. This style just suits him so well. Because he's got that kind of like a deep, kind of lower tone to his voice. And I don't know, if he tried to do something really bright and upbeat, I don't know if it would complement him on his own that well, I mean, he can clearly do it really well with the rest of his members, but that's a whole other thing, On his solo music, I could see that he's really trying to tap in to him, to himself, to V. He's not really trying to resemble what he does with his members. He has his own identity. As a solo artist, he has his own identity. And I really admire that. I think that's so cool. I've only checked out 2 of his songs now, but they both give me a really similar vibe. And I mean that in a good way. You know, I could tell his music is gonna be very cohesive. You know, it's not gonna feel out of place or random. I can tell that he put together his songs really carefully. You know, he really seems to have a clear vision of what he wants to do. And it's awesome. Honestly, this was really incredible. Again, really soothing, really calm, really relaxing. Just perfect. Ironically enough, this is a perfect song to listen to on a rainy day. So yeah, that was awesome. I really did enjoy that. The video was simple, but still conveyed the message that he wanted to convey. I never felt lost. I never felt like anything was random. Even in the parts that were a little bit trippy and kind of weird, it still made sense. You know, there was still a story to follow. And it was really cool. I'm really impressed by this, honestly. So, if you enjoyed my reaction, please consider hitting subscribe, liking this video, and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. It'll mean the absolute world to me. Take care of yourselves. This was React 4 Seasons. I'm Gigi, and I'll catch you on the next one.